Hey guys, okay, today I thought of just releasing a video on how to install Docker real quick. I've launched an Ubuntu instance in Amazon Web Services. I'm trying to connect it right now. Okay, just putting my PEM key. Okay, logging in now. So I'm just doing an update. Okay, now if you see, we'll just check whether Docker is already been installed or not. So we'll just run this command. So if you see, it just tells you that command docker not found, and so you can try docker hyphen version, or just type docker version sometimes. That just gives you the client and server details also. So obviously it will not fetch anything right now because Docker itself is not there. Since we have Ubuntu, and as you know, Ubuntu is managed by a company called Canonical. It's a South African company. So they have their own package management, like apt stuff, which is which is a successor of the grandfather of Linux, which is Debian. So this Debian and Ubuntu always use this apt management, and also these guys are developing their own other package manager like Snap. But right now what I'm going to do is we have a Docker installation script which I'm going to type in. So if you see, this is the one, wget, just one command which will straight away install the Docker components. Wget -q and then capital O and then hyphen again, then https://get docker.com, then we pipe it to the sh. So what exactly it does is, so this is a command, yeah. So once you've done this, then I'm just hitting enter. So this Docker installation script will run all the dependencies, whatever dependencies it requires, and then it will download the software on your Ubuntu machine. Yeah, so this will take another couple of seconds and then it will be done. But I just want to show you, if you open here and then if you type Ubuntu docker install, then okay, let me open the first link. I mean, if you see the documentation in docs.docker.com for Ubuntu, it's quite lengthy one, because first you have to update the package, which we have done it, and then if you see rest of the things, it's quite kind of confusing, if you follow that. Yes, I mean, you can follow that, no problem. Yes, end of the day you will install Docker, but the way the script which we have run right now, the one this one, it's just one command which will just install your Docker without any pain. Now if you see docker hyphen version, see, you got the Docker version 19.03.1 build number, and there is another command. If you type Docker version, so it will tell you what is a client. And right now, okay, eventually what happens is when you type Docker version, it should display Docker client as well as Docker server. So the reason why it is not displaying right now, because the particular user ID, the Ubuntu, is a user ID which doesn't have proper permissions, and also which doesn't have Docker group permissions. I will explain more on this in my next video. Yeah, thank you.